When you step into your cruise cabin, it might seem like just a cozy place to sleep between adventures, but there's far more to it than meets the eye. Hidden features, clever storage tricks, and little-known perks can completely transform your onboard experience. From maximizing space to unlocking unexpected comforts. So you unpack, you settle in, and you trust that everything is fine. But here is what most passengers never stop to ask. What actually happened in that cabin before you arrived? Tip number 1: the most expensive cabin decision you make. Most passengers choose their cabin by looking at price and category. Inside cabin, ocean view, balcony. They compare the cost, pick what fits the budget, and book without ever looking at where on the ship that cabin is actually located. That single oversight ruins more cruises than almost any other mistake a passenger can make. Here is what the cruise line will not tell you when you are browsing the booking page. Cabins directly above the main theater will have base from the evening shows traveling straight up through the floor every night until midnight or later. Tip number 2: the automatic gratuity system. Almost every mainstream cruise line adds an automatic daily gratuity charge to your onboard account. Depending on the line and your cabin category, the charge is typically somewhere between $15 and $20 per person per day. Most passengers see the charge on their statement, assume the tipping situation is handled. Tip number 3: the in-cabin safe has a secret. Here is the cruise secret that no one volunteers at check-in or anywhere in your booking documentation. Every single in-cabin safe on every cruise ship has a master override code. This exists for legitimate operational reasons. Passengers regularly forget their codes, and the safe needs to be accessible to ship staff when that happens. But what it also means is that any crew member with authorized access to that master code can open your safe. The list of who holds that access varies by cruise line and by ship. On most vessels, it includes ship security, senior housekeeping supervisors. Tip number 4: the bathroom secret that most former cruise staff on the majority of mainstream cruise ships, particularly older vessels, the glasses provided in your cabin bathroom are not single-use disposable cups. They are reusable glasses that are cleaned and returned between each set of guests. On well-managed ships with strong supervision and adequate staffing, the cleaning process is done correctly every time. But here is what consistent experience in the industry reveals about busy turnaround days. When a cabin steward has 20 or more cabins to fully turn over in a matter of hours with no flexibility in the schedule, shortcuts occasionally happen. Those glasses sometimes receive a rinse rather than a proper clean and go straight back onto the bathroom shelf. Not on every ship, not every time, but often enough that experienced cruise travelers stopped using those glasses years ago without ever. Those glasses sometimes receive a rinse rather than a proper clean and go straight back onto the bathroom shelf. Not on every ship, not every time, but often enough that experienced cruise travelers stopped using those glasses years ago without ever. Dust, restock, and make every cabin look perfect, all before the next passenger walks through the door. That works out to roughly 24 minutes per cabin under normal conditions. On a difficult turnaround day, less. But here is the thing. What you find during that inspection is only part of what embarkation day can reveal. Because there is a set of free upgrades and cabin comforts available to every single passenger on board that the cruise line never advertises. Anything concerns you at all, call housekeeping before a single piece of luggage is opened. Most passengers never do this because no one ever told them it was an option. The passengers who know about it do it quietly and consistently on every single. Your cabin steward has access to a range of onboard comforts and small service upgrades that are available to any passenger who simply asks for them directly. These are not secret loyalty rewards or premium perks reserved for suite guests. They are standard operational offerings that exist on virtually every mainstream cruise ship and that the cruise line has no incentive to advertise because there is no upsell attached to them. Now, if this video changed how you think about what is happening inside your cabin, the next video is the one you need to watch before your next sailing. Cruise secrets your cabin housekeeper will never tell you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content.